Hello friends, in this particular video I'll tell you about two functions which are present in standard input output library specifically for handling the strings. Now this is the same program which I have developed in the last video, and this program takes in a string which is having maximum of 12 characters including the null space, and at the same time printing that string. So let's see what the problem with this scanf function is. So if I run this program and let's say I am passing it this name mechanical engineering. Now the moment I hit the enter, it will only return mechanical, it will not return engineering, because we cannot pass a string with white spaces using scanf. So if at all we want to pass the string with white spaces, then we have to use gets. So how to use that? So it is very simple. You just write gets and then the name of that character array. That's it. And if you now run it, let's say Pankaj Dumka, again, if you do this task, you will be able to see that now it is taking the full string including the white spaces. So this is the beauty of this function gets. Apart from this, you can also use puts to print the string. So if the string is, then it will be returning mechanical engineering. So in this way you can use gets function to take the string from the keyboard and puts to print the string on the console. So in this video, till this point only, thank you very much for watching it.